Hi, everybody. It's meteorologist Joe Cioffi. Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes. And we're going to take you through the upcoming week. The last week before the Labor Day holiday weekend, which for a lot of people marks the last weekend where you could go on vacation in the summer season. And it looks like I'm going to be optimistic. The Labor Day holiday weekend may actually turn out okay. In the meantime, we're not doing too shabby at the moment. We had a beautiful Sunday, and when we head through Sunday night into Monday morning, we've got clear skies to look forward to, and temperatures by morning are going to bottom out nice and cool, low 60s, even the warmer urban areas around New York City, Philadelphia, Washington, D.C., Baltimore, all bottoming out in the low 60s, and we're going to see temperatures a lot of areas inland in the 50s and even some 40s showing up in cooler spots up in the Catskills, for example, and even also in parts of northeastern Connecticut. So definitely a nice way to finish off the month of August. And that'll take us to Monday, which will start off with sunshine, but we will probably have some high clouds to deal with. And temperatures Monday will be topping out mostly in the 70s to around 80 degrees. And as we move through this week, we are going to see temperatures slowly trending higher, and we are also going to see humidity levels begin to slowly trend higher. Well, I think we're still going to be reasonably comfortable on Tuesday with temperatures in the 70s everywhere, and I think the reason for this is because there probably will be clouds around. But then Wednesday, we're going to start to inch those temperatures higher as we reach up into the low 80s. So some spots will be in the upper 70s, but most areas will be in the lower 80s. And then Thursday and Friday, those are the 2 days I think we're going to see the temperatures nudge up into the middle and upper 80s. And starting on Wednesday, the humidity is going to start to be high and uncomfortable. As far as what to look forward to weather-wise this coming week, there really isn't too much to worry about from what I can see. First off, we have, of course, our front from yesterday stalled out over the southeast and weakening, and there's actually going to be a little low that forms there off the Carolina coast that's going to run out to the northeast and possibly become a tropical system. But it's not going to bother us. It's not going to be any impact to land. The only thing I'm looking at is an area of rain in the Tennessee Valley that will try to move northeastward. We might see that northern edge of that rain move into northern Virginia tomorrow afternoon, might even touch the Pennsylvania, New York State, Pennsylvania, Maryland line, I should say. But eventually, I think it all gets suppressed. So it really is just going to be a matter of the high out to the east, kind of keeping us in clouds for Tuesday. Tomorrow we'll start with sun mixed with some clouds. Tuesday we'll probably have clouds around. And then Wednesday, as that high moves further to the east and then that low develops out to the east, again, possibly as a tropical system, we'll start to see the humidity go up here. We'll have a mix of sun and clouds, warm and humid conditions. And Friday is the day where I think we're going to see a cold front work through here late in the day. And maybe we could wind up with some showers and thunderstorms. But behind this front is this nice high that is coming down out of Canada. And that is going to be spreading drier air into the northeast and northern mid-Atlantic states for Saturday and for Sunday. We're talking about daytime temperatures in the 70s and dew points down in the 40s. Even dew points down in the 40s clear down into southern Virginia. So this shot of dry air is really going to have some punch to it. And if we play our cards right, it'll hold on into Monday before the next and even stronger cold front approaches later on Labor Day with some showers and thunderstorms, and then another shot of cool air coming in behind it. So we're basically getting into a weather pattern now where weather systems are moving along, but what's particularly interesting to me is the fact that the flow from Canada is going to be a very dominating feature over the next couple of weeks. We're going to see shortwave trough after shortwave trough moving along in the jet stream coming down from the north. And some of these are stronger than others. I'm just going to roll it back and show you this. As long as that northern jet being active means that, yeah, it could get warm and it could get humid for a day or so, but it gets cut off by cold fronts that come through. And we have the one for the end of this week, and then here comes another one. As I said, for Labor Day, we'll get a cold front through here. And then yet another strong trough drops in to the eastern part of the U.S., and that is for the end of next week. So it's a long range that is promising from the standpoint of bringing cool air masses down every 2 or 3 days. The only thing I would point out is that with these troughs dropping down to the west of us and occasionally attempting to set up a southerly flow along the east coast, if only for a day, is a little bit disturbing in that if there's a tropical system out there when one of these troughs drops in, then you could have a situation where you could wind up seeing a tropical system threatening by moving up the east coast. We don't have that, obviously, at the moment. I do want to show you there are a couple of things that we are watching in the tropics. So one is a system in the Caribbean that's been getting better organized today, and it looks like this may become a tropical depression in the next day or so. And of course, we have that system that's off the southeast coast of the United States. You see it here right now. A little low is moving off of Florida, and we've just got disorganized showers and storms. But this will probably become at least a tropical depression, or maybe even a tropical storm as it moves out to the northeast. It will have no impact on our weather. So the week ahead looks pretty good for the most part. Certainly starts off nice. We'll see how much cloud cover we get into later tomorrow. The humidity should stay reasonable until Wednesday, when it will move up and start to become uncomfortable. The temperatures will stay reasonable until Wednesday, when they too will start to come up, but nothing outrageous. Another cold front late Friday, maybe some showers and thunderstorms late in the day on Friday. That's the one day this week that I think is dicey for everybody, with some showers and storms. And then we're setting up for a nice Labor Day holiday weekend. So have a good week ahead, and we will see you tomorrow. The Joe and Joe Weather Show, of course, was this morning. It's available on replay on YouTube, or you can listen to it on a podcast by just going to Google Podcasts or Apple Podcasts, Joe and Joe Weather Show, and listen away. Have a great evening, everybody. We'll see you soon.